This video presents an introduction to the Yooning TrueRender Full Wavelength Microplate Reader. The content is organized into the following sections. 1. Instrument Startup and Basic Overview. Instrument Startup. The Microplate Reader consists of three components: the main unit, power adapter, and power cord. Connect the power adapter to the power cord, and then connect the adapter to the main unit. Plug in the power and press the power button on the instrument. Once powered on, the breathing light and touch screen will illuminate. The instrument you perform hardware initialization and an automatic self-check. After successful self-check, the system enters the home screen. Basic overview. The USB ports are located on the side of the instrument for quick import or export of data. On the front panel, you will find the touch screen, breathing indicator light, microplate tray, and the tray control button. There are two ways to load microplate: using the physical tray button on the instrument, control via the in/out button on the main test interface of the microplate reader. 2. Endpoint measurement. Click Quick Start on the home screen. Choose the plate type and measure type. Then confirm to enter the assay setup page. Click Step Parameters to configure wavelength and reading mode. Optical wavelengths can be measured simultaneously. Users can manually enter any wavelengths between 200 and 1000 nanometers. Fast reading speed meets the needs of most routine assays and is recommended. Shaking supports 3 speed levels and can run continuously or intermittently. In advanced mode, users may set D-wait before runtime, incubation time. After setting parameters, click Save to return to the main assay page. Click Layer to enter the plate layer setup. Click Blank to assign blank wells. For standards, click Replicates to set the number of parallels, columns X rows. Click Set Value to enter the standard concentrations up to 30 standard levels. Click Unit top right to choose concentration units, then click Save. You can click on a specific well. The software will automatically arrange the standards in order based on the previously set concentrations. Click Unknown and assign replicate wells. The incubation temperature can be set in the lower left corner. Range, room temperature plus 4 degrees centigrade to 55 degrees centigrade. Click in L control plate loading, ejection. Shake control plate shaking. Default shaking duration, 3 seconds. After configuring parameters and layout, click Run to start the assay. Upon completion, the tray ejects automatically. Please remove the plate promptly and close the door. Click the top right icon to view detailed well-by-well data. Next, we will introduce the data analysis features for endpoint detection. Click Analysis to quickly view your results on the instrument, suitable for a quick check or experiments that don't need graphs. Optionally subtract blank values. Support do wavelength calculations and basic arithmetic operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. The software automatically generates the standard curve. Option to force the curve through 0. Option to show hide unknown sample points. Clicking on an unknown sample automatically calculates its concentration. 4 calculation types are available for user selection. 3. Kinetic measurement. In Quick Start, select Kinetic mode. The set parameters and layout settings are similar to those in endpoint mode. The difference is that kinetic measurements are taken at fixed time intervals. Note, the interval must be longer than the total play read time, and the total number of readings must be set. If shaking is performed before each reading, please note that the interval time includes the shaking time. Then set the layout. Click Run to start the program. Click Analysis, then select Wells to review. Click the upper right curve button to view kinetic curves. Clues can be selected or deselected freely. Pinch to zoom into the curve and view absorbance at any point. When you choose Kinetic under Analysis, each well shows the mean value, standard deviation (SD), and coefficient of variation (CV%) from top to bottom. Additional analysis options include Area under curve AUC, maximum reaction rate, maximum absorbance. You can also set which readings to include by picking the start and end reading numbers. 4. Spectral scanning. Click Quick Start and select Spectrum mode. Click Step Parameters. Set wavelength range, step, and reading speed. Supports 1 nm resolution step scaling. Configure any additional parameters and click Save to return. Set the plate layout and click Run. Click Analysis, select Wells, then click the curve button in the top right corner. Pinch to zoom the curve and check values at individual data points. You may also access detailed data for each well. The software supports spectral normalization. In Analysis, to Spectrum, select Spectral Normalization. Click Curve again to view normalized spectra. Normalized curve sets the highest absorbance in the experiment to 100%. All other values are expressed as percentages of this maximum. This allows direct comparison of spectral shapes across wells and concentrations. 5. Program saving and reuse. Program favorites allow users to create reusable templates for quick future access. After configuring step parameters and layout, click Back, then Save and Exit. All saved but unrun programs appear in the program list. Once the program is executed, it is automatically removed from this list to keep the interface tidy. Click the star icon next to a program to add it to My Favorites. Favorited programs remain visible even after the run. When you open a program from My Favorites, it always makes a new SA file, preventing any template from being overwritten. Then click Run. Previously completed programs are available under All Results. Click Run to start a new SA using the same parameters and layout. The system will create a new file, ensuring all results are overwritten. 6. Result Export. Insert a USB drive to export result files. Enter a specific SA file. Click Program Operations. Click Export. You can rename the program. You can also enter all results. Select one or multiple SA files. Click Options and choose Export. The system supports batch export and displays export progress. 7. System Settings. Click Settings to access system configuration. You may adjust language, date, and time, screen brightness, network connection. Absorbance data display can be set to 1 to 5 decimal places. With a USB drive inserted, the upgrade function supports fast upgrading of instrument firmware and software. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.